Learn English. Hello, everybody. Here are the two words we will learn today. Do you know number one? And number two is bye. Number one, please listen and write this in your notebook. I read one paragraph every day. I read one paragraph every day. Paragraph. A paragraph is a group of sentences. Now we can make a flashcard for paragraph. You could also say, I write one paragraph every day. Please make a flashcard like this. Write paragraph up here in the top left corner. P-A-R-A-G-R-A-P-H. Down here, GN1. This means grammar, noun, level 1. Number 9 out of 17. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Graph. Paragraph. Number 2. Please listen and write this in your notebook. Our house is by the sea. Our house is by the sea. By. By has many meanings, but one of the oldest means near or close to. Our house is near the sea. It is close to the sea. We have many more ways to use by, so please look in your dictionary and read the whole entry. Now we can make a flashcard for by. Please write by up here in the top left corner, B-Y. Down here, G. Down here in the bottom left corner, GW1. This means grammar, word. Level 1. Number 32 out of 135. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The red part sounds like I. By. Game over. You did very well today. Today we learned one paragraph. Yes, you could read one or you could write one. And by has many meanings. Please see your dictionary. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words. Number 1, can you say it? Margarine. This is something people eat. It's like a cheap butter. Not good for you, I think. Number 2, otherwise. Yes, we use this in grammar. Number 3, what am I doing? You are waving. Correct. Today is Sunday, July 6th. If you are new, welcome. This is a complete 2-year course. It's rotating. You can join anytime. Please write your language on the other side of the card. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.